Hello, Sandra here. The car is on top of the hill and Karen's on top of the hill. Today, and then yes, there's Danny. And today we are harvesting all, if not all, but yeah, we'll try and harvest as much as we can of everything that we have, that we've been, that we have had planted during the autumn winter season, because now we need to prepare the beds for spring summer. So we'll be pulling as much as we can so that we can replenish the beds, get them ready for spring summer. While we edit, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on the videos. We appreciate that and we like when you do it, when you do that. So please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. It will cost you nothing. Thank you. Let's do this. Right. We will start here. Got some onions.
I see you, Daddy. I love to eat onions. Me too.
I don't think the cabbage
I see you, Danny.
onions definitely. Ngoba, what are you doing?
I'm putting it nicely.
Oh man, what did you do? Stop touching. This boy of mine. Okay, let's carry on. Open this.
I
This
see
is the
you.
bolted, is floured, and I think now.
I see you, Daddy.
Okay, please don't touch my phone. It's now releasing seeds. Stuff like that. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's lettuce coming out of here.
The
Then
basket.
please move. Thank you. You too, please move. Move. Move.
I am.
Thank you.
Stay next to me, okay?
See, this is the challenge that always come across with, that when I come to harvest, I also have to deal with the weeds, because most of the time you find that the bed has some
Daddy,
overgrowth.
you putting plants on my tree and my feet.
Yeah, why are you standing there when?
Well, indigo and violet tea. Red and
I have these
yellow
sticky weeds.
and
They are a problem. These things, I fight with them every now and again to try and get rid of them. I just don't win. Ngoba suka lapha.
I'm standing here behind the leaves. Hey! Oh, this is a human tree. Yeah. This tree grows human.
It smells like onion,
Onion.
but yeah. Yeah, onions.
Onions. Onions.
Yes, onions.
What about onions? Onions have a very strong smell.
Yep, they do. Like basil. Basil also has quite a very strong smell.
And yellow and
Okay,
indigo and violet and green and legal and violet too. And
No, I don't think I will trust
indigo.
nurseries.
Mm.
I bought this and I wondered why it wasn't growing, but I bought this show you because now I see what's this. This smelling like onion. I bought this at a supermarket.
Oh.
It was labeled as
This is my
spring
house.
onion or something like that. And this thing, ever since I put it here, it has never grown to anything but exactly like this. And now I'm realizing that it also plants its roots quite very deep on the soil. But yeah, it's a strange sort of a plant because it's not onion. Anyway,
No.
let me see.
Indigo and violet too. Red and yellow and orange and blue. Indigo and violet
Some of these guys. Nice.
Indigo. Wow. Daddy,
Yeah.
is this a vegetable?
Yes. Is this a vegetable? Yes, it is. My boy.
I like vegetables. Now,
What's going on?
Daddy, what are these called?
Hmm?
What are these called?
Those are spring onions, my boy, I think.
Oh.
Oh,
Get me out of here! Get me out of here!
please move in front of the camera.
They grow very long leaves. They're almost the same as those over there, right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
These ones. Hello. But they're really longer.
Is there much that we can get here? I'm wondering.
I'm gonna follow. I'm gonna follow. Hey!
This was supposed to be red onion.
Follow.
Yeah.
She followed you. Follow.
This is interesting.
Oh wait, it bended. I know why it bended.
Mm-hmm.
Around that side, that's it.
Ngoba, please.
Maybe it was this one that bites it. Then it bended.
Yeah, maybe, my boy.
You're not letting me sing that song.
Go and sing your song, Ngali, on the other side of the house. Don't sing it here. We don't want to hear your song here.
We're trying to make a video. Okay. Dad, don't do here and wider. Leave me alone.
Yo, these
Daddy,
things have quite very...
these puppies are very rude. Leave me alone. And I'll kick you. Dad, I'm trying to call him so I can eat you. Dad, don't get off my car. Because I'm trying to hit it. No. It's because it thinks that it might transform it and then it will drive on it. Yeah.
I seem to be getting these onions quite right. Awusuke wena phambi kwekamera.
Wait, Daddy,
Yeah.
can you do this so we can see the bottom?
What bottom?
I mean, I want to check if the bottom is red
Okay.
or some or some colors or any more colors.
I doubt that it is. But you can take it if you want to take it.
Shadow! I'll just like. Yeah. No. What?
No, I think it's honestly best to just start
What?
things from
Who was what?
difficult
Spiky?
and challenging sometimes
What?
as it is,
What?
but it
Who's
is
scared
better
of what?
than buying stuff from the supermarket, or maybe I should just buy it from a nursery.
I'll buy a meter stick to
All
take
these
this off.
that I bought from the supermarket that
Just
was
go
made
get a
into
stick
something
so we
else
can
has
take this
turned out
off.
to be something else. And
What? But go get a stick. I made one. One of the puppies bite me. No, they won't. Maybe. Don't worry. I'm gonna call them by if I whistle, they'll come to me. Don't worry. Just go. I'll whistle, then they'll come to me and not to you. Now go get a stick. I'm scared. Why? Because I'm scared.
I don't think will be able to harvest everything. Just have to pull it out. Yeah, just have to pull it out. You can share it with family and friends because I need to get ready for something else.
Daddy,
Yeah.
the puppies are scared.
Okay.
The puppies are scared of me because I'm doing this.
You making the puppy scared?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you making the puppies?
The puppies are scared of this.
Why are you scaring the puppies?
Because they want to bite me.
Oh, they want to bite you.
Nope.
Then what are you doing? Please don't do. What are you doing?
The puppies are trying to push me.
Yeah, just leave the onions.
The puppies are trying to push me hard.
Oh, thank you for your stories with the puppies trying to push you. And how are the puppies even pushing?
Yeah. That's what it's called. Cindy one. With the green chicken. Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, this is too much vegetables.
Okay.
Actually, you must take one at a time.
Okay.
Because if you take one, because if you take one of them will not fall. If you take one will not fall. And then there will be. Wait, that's chicken. Shadow, why you hide me here? Daddy, why Shadow? Does Spiky always go to the dentist when his teeth come out? Daddy?
Spiky doesn't go to the dentist.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Why Shadow sleeping behind the car?
I don't know.
That's why he grows up every day.
You guys have so many questions that I don't have answers for. This also was supposed to be red onion. I guess I haven't figured out this onion.
Daddy, I hope there's a red onion. Trying to show his teeth to me. Sajo's trying to draw his tree. But Sajo's not listening.
Yeah, all of these are supposed to be red onions.
Wow. Onion.
But they did not, the bulbs did not form. Maybe I buried them a bit. I don't know. I need to take these pepper plants out of here as well. That broccoli, I don't think it's still gonna go any further. But yeah, so I need to take a lot of this stuff out of here.
Yeah. So look at Daddy.
Yeah.
What? Why didn't Sajo? I don't Sajo are running away.
Okay.
Because because this one it was going before this one.
Okay.
That's why that one's smaller and this one bigger. I want to know what's the daddy. Daddy, can I have that?
You wanna have what?
Can I have that for TV?
Huh?
Can I have that for TV?
What?
That yellow thing.
What yellow thing?
That yellow thing. It is. It is. Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Please move.
Why is this motor moving to the right hand side?
Mama, please move.
Okay. Oh, I don't want your craft. Papa, can I have that? I want to try that. I want to try that also. Don't worry, I'll give it back. Oh. You can do that than me. Denny, I will take this one. Give me. Hey.
There's a lot of onions.
Oh. Maybe when Daddy uses this, we should do the same thing. Right? Oh, it's for harvesting. Right, we need to do this one. Oh, wow.
Hmm? No.
Penny, I put when I put good under when I put good under sand, the sand does melt a little. The sand does melt a little bit. Oh. When I make that, the sand is going like, the sound is going away like, ooh. Oh.
Cool.
Okay, Noah. I'm so
We are almost done with the harvest. Then please don't touch.
okay. Daddy, I'm raking.
Okay. Yeah. Put it down.
Daddy, I want to help you.
Okay.
That's a teeny tiny one.
Yes, that's a teeny tiny one.
It's already born. Keep doing. Keep doing.
Here's another teeny tiny one.
Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep doing. Keep doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Can I have this? Yeah. 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 Right, now here we're left with the basil, pepper, broccoli, and cabbages. That broccoli will be coming out. Hey, stop making noise. That broccoli will be coming out anytime soon. We'll be eating it. And the cabbages will still be in here for some time. They are still premature,
I'm taking sun.
you know. But the pepper plants I'll take out and I'll put them on individual containers where hopefully they will make good progress. You know,
Oh,
try
the
to
little
produce
car.
even more peppers.
Little car one.
Prune them,
Here.
right?
Little car you
Prune the
want.
roots back and
Because I
give them
made
a
my
new lease
own
in life.
house.
You know.
Ah!
We are done in this front bed with the harvest here. We are literally done. Now we have to go and harvest on the other side. But you can see how much onions we got. A lot of onions. Mama, please stop that.
Yeah.
Please. Nanny, come hold these onions like this.
Okay.
Hold them like that. Yeah.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Hold them.
Papa, can you help?
That's a lot of onions there.
Daddy, where should we put it?
I'm gonna put it in the house.
Now should we put it down?
So we've taken most of the onions out and open up space for spring, summer crop. Very soon we'll be harvesting that head of broccoli. I think it's not gonna go any bigger than that. So is there one who will be harvesting it? I don't think it will grow any bigger than that. We'll leave the cabbages because they're still quite young. They still need to fold. But we'll take these pepper plants out of here, put them in their individual bucket where they will grow and hopefully thrive and do well in. Yeah. Now we're moving to the next bed to harvest and clean it up so that we ready for spring planting. We'll be refilling here with compost, chicken manure, and all that, just to refresh the soil and give the crops that we'll be planting a better chance of doing well. So yeah, let's keep going, let's keep moving. We are done here. I'm wondering if I shouldn't just take those two out as well. Those two, let's take them out. Let's take them out as well. Let's take them out as well. Those two, there isn't much, I think, of a point hanging on
Done.
them, because
Give me something, Daddy.
no, Baba. Here, take this to the house.
Okay.
Put those things down. Put those things down. Ooh, look at that grass. I hate this grass creeping in.
Waka, 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 waka.
No, but I said take this broccoli inside the house. Denny, here.
Where can I put these?
Take this into the house. Thank you. Let's eat it. To make sure that that grass did not leave a road or anything there, because there would be the worst thing
Waka, waka, waka,
happening. There's grass growing in there.
I'm here.
Okay. Right, let's see what we can get here. And here as well, we are going to take most of the stuff out of here. We will also, because most of the stuff in here, stuff that goes from I'll have to take them out. Look at that.
See my car's driving.
Come this side, and then come this side.
That means
Yeah.
oh,
Look at that.
a cucumber.
No, it's a brinjal.
Blender.
Yes, brinjal.
I like blender.
Yeah, some of it has roots.
I like coconut too. That's why it's green.
Hmm?
That's why it's green.
What do you mean? That's why it's green. It's called brinjal.
Blender.
Yeah. It's not green, it's purplish, like sort of.
I like this.
This is brinjal, no, but I've just said that. How many times must I say that?
Now this is greenish.
Okay, yeah, that's greenish. Okay. So I will have to also get these out of here.
What?
Hey, Suga, move. Yeah, this one also is rotting. Actually, oh.
Waka, 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 waka.
Mova, please move. I have to move these
Waka,
plants, all of
waka,
them,
waka.
into separate individual, what you call it, containers. Prune them back and put them in those containers. This eggplant or brinjal plant has been the most productive one for me, I must say. You know. Put it back. It's not for you to play with it. It's for me to lock my raised bed with. Oh no. Oh man. Yes. But we're late.
Oh no.
Look at how beautiful these guys are. But they've started, nature has started munching on them. You know, nature is munching on them. Okay, all the stuff that's gone bad would go into the compost bin. And
And all the things that it did would go in here.
yeah, all the stuff that's good would go in the basket and it will go in the house. Look at this.
Oh my goodness, it's so big.
Look at this. Almost the size of Ngoba's head.
And almost the same size as mine.
Yes, almost the size of Danny's head as well. Let's put it on the basket.
Put it like this.
There's another one. There's another one, boys. Wait. There's another one. There's another one.
I found it.
Right there. Okay, but it is not as big as that one. It is not as big as that one. There we go. What's more can we get here? Nothing, eh? Yeah, nothing more except.
It's bigger
Oh,
than
there's
my hand.
was one carrot that was left.
Also mine.
Look at that. There's a carrot. There's a carrot.
They shouldn't have doubled up to make a
Put it
bigger
there.
one. Look, another one.
Yeah,
They shouldn't have doubled up to make a bigger one.
yeah. Okay, then we will have to take all these plants off. Yeah,
Yeah.
put them somewhere. Refill this bed and get it ready
Then this is my
to
heavy car.
go again.
But it's not
I think the only thing that would be left here is the sedge. Everything else will come out. Okay,
heavy.
that's about it. We got mostly
Petrol.
the eggplants, brinjals, and just one carrot. You know,
But we got 2 carrots.
yeah. Okay, you take it to the house, Danny.
Okay.
Take it inside the house.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy, please.
This is the last harvest. Where's the basket? Yeah. Being a gardener is not an easy constantly fighting against certain things while trying to get certain things right. Anyway, I'm here. Yeah, yeah. I needed to go get this guy. I need to open this. Okay, that way. Yeah. Oh. There we go. We're getting all the cauliflower and broccoli. All of it. We're getting all of it. I love the leaves. I eat them. I chop the leaves. Ooh, this one is infected with some very, very bad guys. Anyway, but these leaves, they don't look so healthy and so good. So that's why they will go into the compost bin. But under normal circumstances, I love them. I eat them. I know. Yeah, I chop them into nice little small fine pieces and eat them. So there we go. But sometimes, like in this case, as you can see, there is no way I can eat them. They don't look so brilliant, you know. So I'll have to get rid of them. Unfortunately, but when they look nice, it looks like what? Coffee it's what? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, the rest looks good. So there we go. Um, okay, go, Baba, go and we. Oh, okay. Okay, go play on the slide. So basically, you just need to know, when it's time. And now there is time to get rid of some of the stuff and get ready to put in some stuff. It's crazy how I've struggled with onions. My onions have not formed bulbs for some reason that I cannot tell you. Excuse me, going all the time. It's been recovering from the flu. So, yeah, my onions. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is wet. It looks wet. Looks like it's all good, watered, beautiful. But look underneath. Completely dry. Oh goodness. And underneath, even here, it is completely dry. I need to really improve on my irrigation. Hey, Spiky, move. In my irrigation methods. I need to employ some methods that will work wonders if, yeah, if I may say it in that fashion, you know. Underneath, it is completely dry. It makes me wonder, what have I been doing when I'm watering? It's like, yeah, it is so dry. It's unbelievable. Oh no, I'm putting soil on my coffee now. Anyway, let's put the coffee up there. Oh yeah. As I often say on some of my videos, that my worst nightmare is the fact that I lack consistency when it comes to watering, and sometimes as I am proving it to myself now, I think that I've watered and I think that I've watered enough, but only to discover that the water was just, yeah, just sitting on the top there, and yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, I need to improve on that. This guy here was supposed to be a purple cauliflower. I wish I still have the seed packet. I'll show you. It's the things they sell us sometimes, they just lie, completely lie to us. Because
I did it.
it tried, I'd say it tried to be purple, but as you and I can see, it's not that purple. I mean, if I didn't tell you that it's supposed to be purple, you wouldn't even know that. You'd probably be wondering why it has a shade that looks like it is dirty. But that's because it's supposed to be purple.
Wow!
Whoa, this one
I'm falling, Daddy.
has flowered and opened the flowers, and it has released, I think, a whole lot of seeds here on this side. This one. Let me get it. Show it to you. Show it to you. You know, look at this one. This one has flowered. It has flowered and it has released a lot of tiny little things there that look like seeds. It has flowered. Yes, Baba. Yes, Baba.
Look,
Hmm.
this one is balancing. Daddy,
Yeah.
when it's finished,
He's finished with what?
he's finished pulling.
Then he must deal with himself. He knows how to deal with himself, doesn't he?
Daddy, wipe your palm by yourself. Daddy said he don't know to.
He don't know what.
He don't know to wipe his palm.
Since when?
Daddy can't put this.
Don't pull that.
Okay, I'm not put it.
Oh, yeah. Now, I understand why. I'll take this cabbage as well. I don't think it's going to be any bigger
Wow,
than
cabbage.
it's already it is. Yes, cabbage. Yes.
I like cabbage. Cabbage is my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Also cucumbers.
Mm-hmm.
Also we have to bring cucumbers.
Yeah. Take this. Put there.
Cucumbers. Cucumbers.
Yeah.
Cucumbers.
It's also dry here.
Cow. Wow.
Onions. I'm doing so great. Need to learn from someone who has some expertise when it comes to onions. Because my onions.
Daddy, I just wiped your palm.
Oh gosh.
Actually, Danny don't know.
Oh yeah.
Why did Danny need me?
I don't know. Look at this funnel. This is funnel.
Fana.
It's funnel. Not funnel. Funnel.
What is this?
This is funnel.
I like fun.
Mm-hmm. Tiny little one. Tiny little one. Tiny little one. But it will do. You know.
Follow. Alright. Jenny. And what the side to follow Jesus.
This one also was supposed to be purple. It tried.
Follow.
It tried, but it isn't that purple.
Wow. These are vegetables.
Yes. Those are vegetables. What?
What? Who's that behind me?
I don't know. Who's that behind you?
Daddy?
Yeah.
Why you hand actually daddy?
Hmm?
Why you hand actually daddy?
I don't know.
Maybe he has to be clean.
Yeah. So I need to come back and water here. All these tires are as dry. It's like they've never been watered. You know, makes me wonder, what have I been doing when I thought I was watering? Okay, that's about it. That's about it. That's about it. There's a lot of composting material.
Turning back.
And,
Around the side to follow Jesus. Oh, the side to follow Jesus. Oh, the side to follow Jesus. Oh,
need to wash my
the
hands.
side to follow Jesus. Oh, what you me? The side to follow Jesus.
Turning back. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. That's about it. That's about it. We're done with all the harvest. Or well, let me say with most. Like I said, we'll harvest most of the stuff that we planted during autumn, winter. What's the date today? 17th. So we are halfway to spring, and I need to rejuvenate the soil on the bed on the other side, on the bed on the other side, on the tires here. I need to rejuvenate it, get it ready for spring, summer, and we will be planting spring, summer crops in all the raised beds, the tires, and every space that we have available. And hopefully we will have as much of a bumper harvest as we have been fortunate this time around. This is just broccoli. On spring onions as well were as much on this basket as probably these guys. So was eggplants and all that. So yeah, the only thing that we struggled with is the actual onions. They defeated me, but I'll come back. We'll have another round with the onions and we'll see who will be the master at the end of it. Right, thank you guys for watching and supporting, liking, sharing, subscribing. It is muchly appreciated. Please do not stop. Carry on sharing the videos, liking, commenting. I am out. Ngoba, are you out? There is Ngoba there. He says he's out as well. He says, yeah. Mdeni is inside the house doing his toilet business. Yeah. Anyway,